How to use the tilting melting furnace? It including 4 parts: chiller, hydraulic station, melting furnace body, and the power parts. First, we will connect the power of each machine. First, we will connect the power cable of the power parts. 3 phase line and 1 earth line, 1 natural line connect together. Second, we will connect the hydraulic station power. You can see the power plug from here. Just connect the power plug. Third, we will connect the chiller power parts. Same like the power station. Just connect the phase cable, earth cable, and the natural cable. Second, we will connect the chiller with the power box. Here we mark G and F. You just connect the chiller G and F. Will be okay. Third, we will connect the power box with the melting furnace body. You can see here we mark 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And in the furnace body, we also have 1, 2, 3, 4 together. You just need to connect together. And connect the power cable from the power box to the melting furnace. Remember, here we have 4 screws. Okay, and here we have 4 screws. You need to connect it back. And the hydraulic station, we have marked A, B, C, D. Here, you need to connect the pipe from here. Just follow the number A, B, C, D. That's all. For the hydraulic station, you need to add the oil from here and add 20 liters. 20 liters. You can see 20 liters. Number 46 or number 68 hydraulic oil, that would be okay. This connector is for the hydraulic limits. You can use this one. Just connect here for controlling the hydraulic limits. Okay. Connect these 2 connectors. After connect well, connect this one. Tap water. This one connect the water tap from here. We will install the temperature control. Just open and close from here. Connect this one. Connect. This one can move. When you melting, after melting, you need to move from here. When you melting, you need to move through the crucible. When you receive the machine, this one is not the crucible, and this part is not on the machine. You need to open, lock the crucible from here. This one and here, and lock the pouring mouth from here. After you connect all the parts, power and the water, we can use the machine. Right? Open the main power of the machine. Press English. 然后 we will set the temperature control. How to set the temperature? Press this one to change the digital. For example, we need to set 1080 degree up. This is for up. And come here, down, 900, 1080 degree. setting. That's all. You can see C1 here, mean this one is working, C1. Open the main power of the machine and press start to start the hydraulic station. Stop. And this one is for control, up, down, for the hydraulic. Press pump to start the machine and pump compressor 1, compressor 2. This is for setting the temperature. Press set temperature up. Normally we will set in 20 degrees. Normally we will set in 20 degrees, and this one is the real temperature of the current water temperature. 可以